This AI made video earned $1,275 approximately in just 11 days. How do I know this? I'm gonna tell you in a moment. First, let's watch the video.
There was a time when loyalty meant everything. When men built their empires, not just with strength, but with honor.
Why am I showing you this? You are here to make money. I'm showing you for a reason as well, so keep watching.
It shaped this world. My name carries the weight of generations, of stories you've told 1,000 times.
From Stallone's facial expression, you can assume that is AI generated. But before that, let me give you a little details. This video is only 1 minute 46 seconds long. And if you don't know about Godfather, it's the legendary movie sequel. So this video is made using Stallone and a couple of clips from the original movie. And some of the clips are taken from Stallone's other movies. So first of all, how do I know how much money they made? It's simple. I went to Google and searched for how much YouTube pays in USD for 374,000 views. I got a calculator, I checked the calculator, and here we are. We got an approximate number. Well, it can be more or less, but just an idea. How do I know it's fake and it's not real? I'll tell you in a moment. I told you, but you didn't trust me. This is the power of AI. I told you, but you didn't trust me. This is the power of AI. You can get this software. You can become a celebrity. The link is in the description. Go grab it at a one-time price. But the question is, how do you make this kind of videos from the comfort of your home using a couple of minutes of your time without spending tons of money on AI software? The answer is LucidFluencer AI. I'm proud to say that I'm a co-founder of this application. I'll drop the link in the description. It is still available at a one-time investment. However, let me show you how to make this kind of videos. All right, here is how to do it. Go to Creator, create a project name Mosh Stallone. Click Continue. I will find an image of Sylvester Stallone. Now what I'm doing here is for educational and demonstration purpose. Make sure you have rights to use an image, because if you don't do it, you will get sued. And you might end up losing the amount of money you will never be able to earn back. Don't do that. This is completely for educational, entertainment, and demonstration purpose. I'm going to upload this selfie image. Click Continue, and I will upload the video file. And then all I'm going to do is to click Submit. And my job is done. It will take a couple of minutes for the video to get rendered. I'm just showing you the power of the AI application. It can be used in many different ways without violating any copyright or doing anything illegal. Anyways, guys, this website gives you a clear idea about what this software is about, how it works, how it can get benefited. The link is in the description. I highly recommend go grab it when the price is one time and extremely cheap, because after the launch, we have a plan to turn it into monthly and annual recurring program, because you see the value. You can also go to moshbari.com/lucid. This will take you to the website, and from there, you can grab your access. Really, guys, it's our own application. We love it. We are using it ourselves, and you will love it too. Now let's go back to how do I know it's fake? Using our best friend Google. I just searched with Godfather 4, and look what Sylvester Stallone said in Fox News. Sylvester Stallone warns fake Godfather movie trailer using AI is not to be taken seriously. Another one, Parade.com, says the same. So my point is, guys, how long will it take for you to get AI aware and AI educated? Because AI is growing so fast that it's going to replace positions after positions, jobs after jobs. Very soon, you may not have a job. Isn't this the perfect time to learn about AI and actually make money using AI? If you want to know what we do and the beginner students of our program do and earn $500 passive affiliate commissions, like Jody has a 9-to-5 day job and she's a busy mom. She earned $500 commission for one sale, which happened automatically without she doing anything by her own. Chrislyn lives in Vietnam. She earned $300 commission while 99% of the job was done by us. Tash Murphy made $500. Gabriel made $300 commission. Osman loves to travel the world. He traveled over 150 countries while earning multiple $500 commission. Chrislyn earned another $450 commission. Here is what we do. We use AI and we learn valuable skills and knowledge fast. Then we use that knowledge and skill and make short form videos. We upload the same videos on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. These platforms send us customers to our automated AI operated sales funnel. This sales funnel does the selling on our behalf. And when there is a sale, we earn $500 plus in passive affiliate commission. The best of the best part is that our program is 99% done for you. If you want to learn more about our program, feel free to check the free training in the description. Now, if you're interested in making this kind of videos videos go viral and make money from YouTube, TikTok, or Facebook's partnership programs, then have a good look at these videos and learn the skill of storytelling. Because this video is not only just a few clips from the original movie and an AI generator Sylvester Stallone. It's a story. When you watch this, you will feel somebody's telling a story about the whole Godfather thing. That's why people are hooked and watch the full 1 minute 46 second video. In our case, we use AI to write stories for us and basically tell the stories for us. And in fact, they also did the same. But my friend, if you don't learn these skills, just keep doing what you are doing and you'll keep getting the same results as you are getting right now. So what are you planning to do in 2025? If you want to make money, I recommend you start from the free training that I have in the description. The training video is completely free to watch. And at the end of the training, you will learn about our program as well. This will be the training website. After watching the training, if you have any questions, feel free to ask this AI chat assistant. It is trained to answer just like me. It will give you the right answers. But if you're not happy, you need more, feel free to DM me on Instagram or send me an inbox message on Facebook. I'll be more than happy to answer all your questions. Watch the free training, learn what we do with AI, and make money with a 99% done for you system. I want you to be successful in 2025. Like this video, share with your friends and family. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Make sure you switch on the notification bell button so YouTube notifies you when we upload our next video. To learn more money making techniques, watch these videos, and I will see you in the next one.